Okay, you're welcome to this short class on blockchain technology. So, I want to explain the concept of blockchain technology. It's something that is very important you understand, especially for one who wants to understand what cryptocurrency is all about. Okay, you cannot perfectly understand the concept of cryptocurrency without first understanding what blockchain technology is all about. So before we go to that, you have to understand the concept of centralization. If you understand the concept of centralization, you appreciate what blockchain technology is. All right. So, con- um, so centralization is a concentration of control of an activity organization under a single authority. Under centralization, everything is being run or controlled from a single organization, a team, or within a local structure. Right? So that means the people does not have direct influence or direct information and access into that structure. All right. So that is the concept of centralization. Centralization has its own advantages. When there is a structure, a team of structure that runs a particular thing, it's easier for them to plan around that thing without much stress. Okay. Another example of a centralized authority is the media. Right, an aspect of the media is centralized news. So centralized in the sense that it is the information that they choose to release to you that you have access to. Imagine there's an event and a media goes to cover it. They bring it home because the centralized authority. They choose what to bring to the masses. They choose what to take off and what to keep. And that good example of centralized system is, remember, they used to use back in school. There's this thing we call not necessarily Wikipedia. There's this thing we call the encyclopedia. Okay, encyclopedia was, we believe that it used to be the summary of knowledge as at then. Okay, but the thing is that it was centralized because this information that we are using was just within a group of, I don't know how many people that designed the encyclopedia, but that information was centralized. They are the ones that had access to it. It's what they choose to give to you that you receive. So if they feel that an information is not necessary for the masses, they take it off. So for me, it's basically like an autocratic system, right? So one of the major disadvantages of centralization is that the people does not have access to decision making. They don't have information of what is happening in the system. So that is why the blockchain technology was introduced. So simply put, the blockchain technology is a system of keeping record without need of a central authority. So now the central authority, the people who are there to keep information, to give us close classified informations, has been taken off the table. So what happens is that the people now take this information by them. This data is now kept by the network where it can be seen by everybody. So you can easily see that that the blockchain technology is a way of trying to solve the issue of centralization. It was built as a solution to centralization. You keep record without the need of a central authority. So that is what the blockchain technology is all about. Uh, you simply have to understand this concept if you want to understand the reason why cryptocurrency came